guys, Kelly here with Mindful Bodyworks. So I wanted to talk to you real quick about the NRG Face Cradle covering. This is a face barrier. NRG Massage Warehouse comes in a pack of 10. It's got elastic, the material's not really loud like a rubber sheet, and I'm hoping that it's going to protect my face cradle so that I can extend the life of the face cradle cushion. So you take these off, you throw them right in the washer and the dryer with your sheets. Super easy. They don't slide. I really like that. I just put my little tent in here for my clients so they can breathe, and it seems very secure, and it, like I said, it's not loud, so I really like them. So check those out. I hope that helps you. Make sure you hit that like button if you like videos like this, and feel free to leave a comment down below. If you have something that works better, or if you have any questions, feel free to ask those, and I'll do my best to answer those. All right, thanks so much for watching. Take care.